Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix, your channel for smart solutions and tech tips. Today we're starting a new tutorial, how to connect AV cable to MI TV Bush UK. Before connecting a device to your TV, ensure the TV is turned off and unplugged from the mains power. Unplug your TV and the device from the mains power. The composite port is located on the back of the TV. This is used to connect DVD players, digital set-top box, and other AV devices. Insert one end of the composite cable into your TV. Insert the other end of the composite cable into the device. Plug your TV and the device into the mains power. Press standby to turn your TV on. Press home. Scroll to settings. Scroll down to inputs, then press select. Press select. Scroll to composite, then press select. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.